Have you ever wondered what makes your cat so mysterious, so magical? What if I told you that your furry friend can see and hear things you never could, like secret ultraviolet trails, hidden sounds beyond walls, and even tiny movements in complete darkness? In this video, we're uncovering 14 incredible things your cat can see and hear that you can't. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see your cat in a whole new light. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel because we have even more amazing content coming your way about the fascinating world of cats. You don't want to miss it. So, let's start with the first point. Number 1. A cat's vision in dim light. Cats have an extraordinary ability to see in dim light, a gift that humans can only dream of. This skill is due to the tapetum lucidum, a reflective layer of tissue in their eyes that amplifies light. When light enters a cat's eye, this layer reflects it back onto the retina, giving them a second chance to process the available light. For example, when you see your cat navigating effortlessly in a dark room where you can barely see a thing, it's their biological night vision goggles at work. While humans have more cone cells for color perception, cats have a higher number of rod cells, which are specialized for detecting movement and functioning in low-light conditions. This explains why your feline friend can spot a tiny bug moving in a shadowy corner when you're struggling to locate your phone charger. Number 2. Ultrasound sensitivity. Cats can hear sounds at frequencies humans can't even imagine. Their ears are tuned to pick up ultrasonic waves, which are sound frequencies higher than what our ears can detect. This ability evolved because many small prey animals, such as rodents, communicate using ultrasonic sounds. To put this into perspective, humans can typically hear sounds in the range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, while cats can hear up to 64,000 Hz. This means your cat might be hearing the high-pitched squeaks of a mouse hidden behind the walls or even the faint buzz of an insect across the room. Number 3. Seeing a broader spectrum of motion. Cats are masters at detecting motion, even the slightest flicker. Their vision is particularly adept at catching quick, subtle movements that would go unnoticed by human eyes. This skill is vital for hunting, as it helps them detect prey even when it's trying to stay perfectly still. Unlike humans, whose eyes are more focused on clarity and detail, cats' eyes prioritize movement. This is why you'll often see your cat intensely focused on a fluttering leaf or a darting laser pointer, while you might only notice the object after it moves significantly. Number 4. Detecting vibrations in the air. Have you ever noticed your cat reacting to something you can't see or hear? That's because they are highly sensitive to vibrations in the air. These vibrations can be caused by sound waves, movement, or even changes in the atmosphere. Cats' whiskers play a critical role in this ability. Whiskers are highly sensitive tactile hairs that can pick up subtle changes in air currents, helping cats sense the presence of nearby objects or living beings. This ability allows them to see without their eyes, especially in complete darkness or when their vision is obstructed. Number 5. Hearing beyond walls. Cats can pick up sounds through walls, doors, and even ceilings. Their acute hearing enables them to detect noises coming from another room or even outside the house. This is why your cat may suddenly perk up and look toward the door long before someone knocks or opens it. Their ears are so sensitive that they can pinpoint the direction of a sound and focus their attention on it, even if it's faint or muffled. Number 6. UV vision, the hidden world. Cats can see ultraviolet, UV, light, which is invisible to humans. UV vision opens up a whole new layer of the world to them. For instance, cats can see urine trails, which helps them track prey or navigate their environment. This ability might also explain why your cat seems fascinated by certain patterns or textures that appear ordinary to you. What looks like a plain surface to us might have distinct UV reflective features that grabbed your cat's attention. Number 7. Picking up infrasonic sounds. While cats are known for their ultrasonic hearing, they can also detect infrasonic sounds, extremely low-frequency vibrations that humans can't hear. These sounds are often produced by natural phenomena like earthquakes or distant storms. Your cat's ability to pick up these infrasonic sounds might explain why they sometimes behave strangely before a storm or an earthquake. They're not being superstitious, they're simply responding to environmental cues that are imperceptible to us. Number 8. 360-degree awareness. Cats have a nearly 360-degree field of hearing. Their ears can rotate independently, allowing them to pick up sounds from almost every direction. This gives them an incredible spatial awareness that humans lack. For instance, while you might need to turn your head to hear a sound more clearly, your cat can pinpoint its exact location just by adjusting their ears. This ability makes them efficient hunters and highly aware of their surroundings. Number 9. Seeing fast-moving objects. While human vision is better suited for slow, steady movements, cats excel at tracking fast-moving objects. Their eyes are designed to focus quickly on rapid movements, making them excellent hunters. If you've ever seen your cat chasing a fly or pouncing on a toy, you've witnessed this skill in action. Their ability to detect and respond to fast movements is far superior to ours. Number 10. Detecting emotional cues. Cats can hear the emotional tone in your voice and respond accordingly. Their sensitive ears pick up subtle changes in pitch and tone, helping them understand your mood. For example, a soft, soothing tone might make your cat feel relaxed, while a loud or sharp tone could alert them to potential danger or scolding. This emotional sensitivity is one reason cats form such strong bonds with their owners. Number 11. Whisker vision in the dark. Cats' whiskers are not just for decoration, they serve as sensory tools that help them navigate in the dark. Each whisker is connected to nerve endings that send information about nearby objects and spaces to the brain. This is why your cat can move gracefully through a pitch-black room without bumping into furniture or walls. Their whiskers act like a built-in radar system, guiding them through obstacles. Number 12. Detecting high-pitched communication. Cats can hear the high-pitched sounds that some animals use to communicate. For instance, the chirping of birds or the squeaks of rodents are well within a cat's hearing range. This ability makes them excellent hunters, as they can locate prey by listening for these high-frequency sounds. It also explains why they might react to certain electronic devices that emit high-pitched noises. Number 13. Recognizing specific footsteps. Cats have an uncanny ability to recognize the sound of specific footsteps. They can distinguish between your steps and those of a stranger, often long before you enter the room. This skill is a combination of their acute hearing and their ability to associate specific sounds with people they know and trust. It's part of what makes them such attentive companions. Number 14. Interpreting micro-movements. Cats are experts at reading micro-movements, tiny shifts in body language or facial expressions that humans might not even notice. This ability helps them communicate with other animals and understand humans better. For instance, a slight twitch of your hand or a change in your posture might signal to your cat that you're about to pet them or play with them. This keen observation skill makes them incredibly intuitive pets. Cats experience the world in ways that are almost magical to us. With their ability to see in dim light, detect ultrasonic and infrasonic sounds, sense vibrations, and even perceive ultraviolet light, they live in a sensory-rich universe that's far beyond human capability. These incredible skills evolved to make them exceptional hunters, but they also give them an unmatched awareness of their environment and emotional connections with their humans. Understanding these abilities can deepen our appreciation for the mysterious, often misunderstood behaviors of our feline companions. When your cat stares intently into a dark corner or perks up at a sound you can't hear, it's not random, it's a reflection of their extraordinary sensory world. By learning more about how cats see and hear, we can strengthen our bond with them and marvel at the hidden world they experience every day. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like it. We'll see you in the next video.